Hello everyone, Willie Choi. Today I would like to introduce DX22, DX28 main control valve. Alright, this is a DX22 and 28 main control valve. Actually, this control valve can use the wheel excavator. Actually, we have the two kind of the main control valve, DX22 and DX28, but the system or layout is almost similar, but different is in the size of the spool. Alright, this main control valve, right? Actually, this main control valve is a megacone control, right? And also the setting pressure is maximum setting pressure is 350 bar, maximum, and the normal operating pressure is 330 bar. And also we have some of the some protection valve. The setting pressure is 360 bar. All right, I'd like to explain about the major component of the main control valve, right? We can divide two parts, this side or that side, okay? So first one, we can explain this side, okay? The bigger one, first one, this is a boom holding valve. You know the function of the holding valve, right? Boom holding, right? The second one is a big one. This is a BP, boom priority valve. And then next one, this one is a megacone valve, right? And also there are low check here, right? Low check. There are lots of low check valve here. And also you can see here, there are bottom side and then here, overall the valve, right? And also there are total 5 spool. The first one is a treble, second is a option, third one is a bucket, next one is boom 1. The last one is arm 2. The opposite side, you can see there are lots of the low check valve here, right? Low check. And also this one, we call it, this is a BC valve, right? And also this one is for megacone valve, right? And also this side also has a overall valve here, right? Overall valve here. Total 4 overall valve this side. This one is for the main relief valve. There are total 5 spool, but actually there are 4 spool here. The first one, it is a dummy because of this is a wheel type. That's why this is a dummy spool here. The next one, this is a dozer, right? Dozer. The next one, this is a swing. And then this one is for the arm 2. This one, last one is a arm 1 spool here. Another one is here. This is a arm holding valve, right? You know the holding valve function, right? Hold the arm. Anyhow, inside of the valve, there are some pocket here, arm holding valve. So there are 2 main ports from main pump, right? This side and that side. 2 pump oil is coming here. And also this one, tank line to the tank and oil cooler, right? And also you can see there are main port here, right? Travel, option, bucket, boom, right? And then this is a arm main port. This is a swing main port. This is a dozer. Now you can see the pilot line here, right? All right, the first pilot line. So this is a pilot line for PXPY, pilot line here, right? Another one, there are 2 pilot lines to release the boom holding valve. There is 1 pilot line for boom priority valve activation, and then this one, megacone. So this line should go to the main pump to increase or decrease the flow. And also there are pilot signal from joystick to shift the spool here, right? Here. And then next one, this is one of the pilot line here. This is a main lily valve, right? So there are one pilot line here. It is for the pressure up, right? Pressure up here. And then another one here, BC. There are one pilot line for the BC valve shifting. Another one, this one is one pilot line for the nega cone, right? And also the last pilot line is here, arm holding valve, right? Arm holding valve to release the arm holding valve here, right? All right, now I just remove the one or two spool from the main control valve, right? The first one, this is the trouble. Also, I'd like to remove the boom one. All right, the boom one spool. Actually, when you compare each spool, the shape is completely different, right? So do not mix it when you put it, the spool on the original position. All right, now I remove the main relief valve, right? All right. This is a main relief valve. The setting, this is a two stage of the setting pressure. The first one is 360. The second one is 330. So normal working pressure is 330 bar. Two stage. You can adjusting here pressure under this valve, this lock valve. All right. I just removed the overload valve. There are total 8 or 10 overload valve. Normally, it has the 8 overload: bucket, boom, and arm, and dozer. All right, just I remove the overload valve here. You know that there are two functions: relieve the oil, and then another one, suction oil. If cylinder needs oil at the time, the oil should be provided, this valve to the cylinder. So sucking the oil. And also, we also adjusting the, this pressure with this screw. Now, I just remove this negacon valve, right? Right? This is a negacon valve. There are small orifice here. This orifice makes the negacon pressure. There are total 2 negacon valve here. Another one is opposite side. Now I just remove the BP valve. Actually, the BP valve, we do not use this function. So this line should be connecting to the tank. All right, now I remove the boom holding valve. This is boom hold valve. When I remove this cover, But inside, you know, the release spool there, and also this is a holding poppet. All right, I just remove the one of the low check valve. All right, this is low check valve. Actually, there are some different type of low check valve, but you know the low check valve, right? You know the function of the low check valve, right? The cylinder oil cannot connecting to the pump side. All right, now I remove the PXPY orifice from the MCV here, right? The location of the PXPY is here. We have to prepare M6 small screw and then put it here. And then we have to use a some spanner or some tool. Right? This is a PXPY orifice. All right. Now I just remove the arm holding valve. Right, there are inside release pilot spool here inside, and also there are holding valve poppet. Right, now I just remove the BC valve. All right, this BC valve. For example, the machine used the two pump. At the time, the pilot pressure is here. So BC valve is cutting off the line, and then another extra line goes this side, and then the option can be used the two pump oil. All right, now I just remove the check valve for the option. This check valve for the option. I just remove the arm regen valve. Right, this is arm regen valve. The arm regen valve is placed on the bottom of the main control, bottom side of the main control valve. Right, now I just explain how to adjust main relief pressure. Actually, this main valve has the two-stage pressure setting valve, right? So 330 and then 350 bar. So first, when you are setting the 350 bar, the pilot pressure here, right, boost. And also, we have to lose this lock nut, right? And then you can adjusting pressure with this valve, this nut, right? Increase or decrease pressure, right? When you are set the 350 by that time, locking. And then now when you are set the 330 bar at the time, we have to use this lock nut and then adjust this 330 bar and then lock.